Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
The grass ain't green on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Okay guys, I was trying to film while it was daytime, but today's been kind of like a little gloomy. It's actually less foggy here than it was for the past few days, but it's like really pretty outside, so I kind of thought I would, I'm gonna try to avoid the glare of my ring light, but I wanted to give you guys kind of like a nice wintry city view if I could. And yeah, I don't know how long this is gonna last because sunset is literally right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and film this video. So in today's video we are gonna be doing a jewelry unboxing. Oh my gosh, today is seriously a hot mess of a day. I was trying to get you guys the coupon code for this, and then I somehow lost my SD card in the process. I still can't find it. I have no idea where it is. I literally took it out of my computer, moved all my filming stuff, was getting the discount code for you guys, and then it disappeared. So I have no idea where it is. I'm hoping that the card that's in my camera right now, it used to be in my phone, my old phone. So I'm hoping that it works. This is from Sayabling. They reached out to me recently to ask me to review one of their products, and I'm going to be doing it as an unboxing, a true unboxing. Normally I do these for my shorts, but honestly I've been having memory card issues with my phone as well. My phone hasn't been recording things and I don't have like any vlog footage on it anymore, so it's kind of weird. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you guys, this is gonna be the perfect Valentine's Day gift. Seriously, it's gonna be the perfect Valentine's Day gift, and that is next month already, so it's time. If you are looking for a gift for your loved one, it's the perfect time to do some online shopping and check out Sayabling. She is boxed very, very, very well. This is taking me like years, not years, but you guys know what I mean, like when things take a while to open. I appreciate the effort, you know, keeping my items safe, but at the same time I'm like, oh my gosh, that's a lot of packaging. Okay, so it comes in this little bag right here. It's already gifted for you. You literally don't even have to put in any effort at all other than unboxing the packaging that it comes in. It already comes in a gift bag. How cute is that? And then let's go ahead and open her up. Wow. She's even giftable with a bow and everything. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I don't even want to like, oh, I don't have to wreck the bow. It's just like taped on the packaging. All right. And it comes like this. There is a little card here on ways you can take care of your jewelry. If you guys want to pause this and read this part, you can. It's just some care instructions on your jewelry. There's a coupon code in here if you guys want that. I also have a coupon code with them. I will put it in the description box and in the pinned comment, as well as somewhere on the screen here somewhere. Okay, now the inner part of the packaging looks like this. It's so cute. It's literally like receiving a gift. And then I'm just gonna open like that. Okay, so it comes like this in this box right here. It's really nice. It's almost like a Swarovski box. If I had to, you know, compare it to anything, it looks like a straight up Swarovski jewelry box. And then, okay, you know what? You guys get the first view. So these are the beautiful earrings that I picked out. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not wearing earrings today for that reason, because I'm gonna put these on and I'm gonna film some more videos. So, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Okay, so that's the one pair, and I'm gonna go ahead and open the other one. Okay, you guys know that brand of jewelry from way back in the day called Jewel Mint. I know some of you might be too young to remember Jewel Mint, but the people that have been on YouTube for a really long time, you guys know what I'm talking about. There was like Shoe Mint and there was Jewel Mint, and they had these really amazing jewelry pieces just like this, and they would come out every month. They would be limited edition and all that, and the quality, oh my gosh, I still have some pieces from back then, and this is exactly what these earrings remind me of. They take me back to like, you know, 2012, 2013, when everything was just like better quality for your dollar than it is these days. But I think that these are really, really good priced, and you know, with the coupon code and everything, you're getting a good deal. And yeah, these are amazing quality. Like, I can already tell by just like holding them, they're not too heavy as in they're gonna hurt your ears, but they are really good quality. Like, I can tell that these are gonna last me for years. Like I said, so I still have some Jewel Mint jewelry. I haven't been wearing it. I was honestly looking for some jewelry for my wedding, and I came across a bunch of my older stuff from like 2012, 2013. The jewelry back then was so fun. It was, do you guys hear that? I think you did. The jewelry back then was just so fun, and just really cute pieces and everything like that. And you know, I feel like everyone went clean girl aesthetic with like everything, with jewelry, with, you know, makeup and everything like that. And I want 2026 to be filled with like fun things, you know what I mean? Like fun makeup looks, fun jewelry, fun everything, fun clothing looks. I want to experiment with like different fashion stuff as I did back then. I feel like 2012 was such a vibe of a year for me. Us millennials, like, we had so much fun with fashion, with jewelry, with everything, with makeup, and it's not like that anymore. I don't know, I feel like these days makeup is not that much fun anymore. You know what, I was gonna do like a fun makeup look today, but Andy's actually building my vanity still, and I have no idea where my eyeshadow palettes are. They're all just like missing, so I ended up just creating something really simple and plain, but I wanted the earrings to pop as well. I feel like when you have a statement piece like this, you don't have to go all crazy with the makeup, you know, you can keep it simple and neutral. So these are what the earrings look like. They're so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna pull my hair back a bit so you guys can see what they look like. They're so beautiful, and they actually match with what I'm wearing right now. Well, maybe not the vibes of what I'm wearing right now. I feel like I'm wearing very like casual wear, and these are more for like, you know, if you're doing an updo or something like that, you're going out on a date night and you want some cute earrings. These are so fun, but they do match with what I'm wearing, as in like color wise. So yeah, these are the earrings that I got from Sayabling, and I absolutely love them. Thank you so much, Sayabling, for sending me these beautiful earrings. I was going to do this actually as a PR haul and just do a bunch of brands how I normally do, but I've noticed that those videos don't do very well on my channel anymore. Let me know if you guys still like those videos and it's something that you want to see from me. Please let me know in the comments below. And if you guys are interested in these earrings or just fun jewelry pieces in general, definitely check out Sayabling. And you know, if you're shopping for someone for Valentine's Day, this site has some really pretty jewelry, so definitely go ahead and check them out. I will leave everything in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!
I let you